Hi, I'm George Pappas, and I'm a lawyer with the law firm of Pappas Russell, and I'd like to explain to you why I think you would benefit from my help in any of your legal problems. I have been practicing law since 1979. I started as a prosecutor. I was a prosecutor for 8 years. I went into insurance defense for 5 years, and then I opened up my own practice in 1990. Since that time, I have represented thousands of people. I don't represent corporations. I've represented maybe 1 or 2 corporations in my own private practice. I represent people. People who walk in, people who need help. People like you. People that are having family law problems, or having a difficult time with child support, or having a difficult time with visitation. The ex-spouse doesn't want you to see your child. Well, I don't agree with that. The other spouse doesn't want to pay you child support. I don't agree with that. So I really work hard in my family law cases. I also do criminal law cases. Since I was a prosecutor for 8 years, I did everything from first-degree murder trials down to disorderly conduct. I know how the prosecution works, and I will use that knowledge to help you in the defense of your case. In this country, you are innocent until proven guilty, and don't let anybody else tell you that. It's something different. It is beyond the exclusion of every reasonable doubt. So I will fight for you to show the state, and if necessary, a jury, why you're innocent, why you should be found not guilty. That's my job. I am the type of attorney that will call you back. If you call me that day, you'll get a phone call back from me. If for some reason I can't call you back, I might be in trial, then you will get a phone call the next day from me, I promise. And there are times that I will give you out my home phone number to give me a call. A lot of times I ask people not to call me until after 9 because my wife goes to bed then. Not only do I do family law and criminal law, in those areas I really have a good time and I enjoy helping people in those areas. I also do another part of the law that I enjoy, and that's civil litigation, breach of contract, things like that. I'm a mediator. Mediation is the best way to go. Trial, if you gotta go to trial, then you gotta go prepared and ready to go, and I am that way with my clients. But if we can resolve a case without the expense and the horror that a trial can cause, we will try that also. And I've been a mediator. I've mediated over 2,000 cases myself, so I know about mediation. I would like you to consider me for your attorney. I am a lifelong resident of Daytona Beach. I was born here. I was born when Halifax Hospital was nothing more than the castle that's right in the middle of the way it is now. I was raised here. I was raised on Main Street, frankly. My grandfather owned a chocolate bar and package store, and my father was executive editor of the News Journal. We ended up retiring. I am in the fabric of this community, and I love this community, and I love the people in the community, and I love being a lawyer. I wanted to become a lawyer back when I was a kid. My grandfather's best friend was a very prominent attorney in town. His name was Paul Raymond. Man's long gone now. Wonderful lawyer, great lawyer. He actually, matter of fact, he was dean of Stetson Law School. And I watched him and my grandfather talk about cases, and I just fell in love.